oppression and internal insurrection, we upscale operations against all threats in all zones of the Federation. Our focus will be against the terrorism in the Northeast, farmers-herders clashes, kidnapping in the North Central, the insurrection that is brewing in the Southeast, and even economic sabotage and associated crimes in the South-South region. So we're not going to leave any of these zones unprotected or without attention. We will continue to conduct our operations under the auspices of Operation Adarindaji in the Northwest, and our intent is to upscale manpower and equipment in all these various theaters so that quickly we can bring the much desired peace, stability, and relief to law-abiding citizens.
Shed more light on the packages under the
insurance. The federal government has a scheme tagged the Group Life Assurance. It is an insurance scheme designed to give succor to families of departed warriors. And this scheme works in such a way that the government pays premium to the insurance company, and in the event of death, the insurance company pays claim to the families of our deported heroes. However, we have a backlog between the year 2012 and 2022 when claims were not paid and some people died in the course of service to the nation. So the insurance company is not at liberty to pay claim for premiums not paid. And that is why the federal government has taken it upon itself at this stage to discharge that backlog and bring relief to the families of our departed colleagues.